Do you know the difference between because and so? Both are connectors, but how to use it? Because means क्योंकि and so means इसलिए. I will give you the example and I will make you understand accordingly. I couldn't attend the class yesterday because I was under the weather. मैं कल क्लास नहीं ले सकी क्योंकि मैं कल बीमार थी. अब इसको रोटेट कर देते हैं. I was under the weather, so I couldn't take class. तो what I did, जो सेकेंड सेंटेंस को पहले लिया और फर्स्ट सेंटेंस को सेकेंड में कन्वर्ट किया और बीच में सो लगाया. तो दोनों का डिफरेंस आप समझ पा रहे होंगे. जैसे कि मैं कल क्लास नहीं ले सकी क्योंकि मैं बीमार थी इसीलिए मैं क्लास नहीं ले सकी. I hope you have understood. Most probably student gets confused how to use so, because that time you can take help of because. कैसे लेंगे? As I give the example, one more example I'll give you. I couldn't buy that dress because it was so expensive. That dress was so expensive, so I couldn't buy it. Now it's your turn to write one sentence in comments, and please keep on practicing, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. That will motivate me to make more videos. I hope you understood. Thank you.